Hey guys, as always, this is Mythos. Welcome back to another Minecraft concept. This one links closely into retro gaming, as today I have created the buff boxes from Mario Kart, except in vanilla Minecraft, of course. So what are these we're looking at? These are ender crystals. They're found in the end, and they're used to rejuvenate the ender dragon's health and make it harder to beat. So I've used these because they closely resemble the boxes found in Mario Kart, and they probably closely resemble them more than anything actually in Minecraft right now. So let's quickly demonstrate what this concept does. Okay, so we run over one of these boxes, and it will not activate until I stand over it. But you'll see that I use the title command to quickly cycle through all of the different buffs you can get, and then it will give you a potion for a random buff. So this time we got night vision. If we summon another one just there, it'll give us all the same things, and then give us another potion. We got swiftness and another one just for random sake. We got strength, and we'll just go over this one, and finally this one and see what it gives us. So they all look the exact same, and that's just because I used the same potion ID just with different effect IDs to get them. And we got swiftness and resistance. Okay, so let's swing quickly into the redstone and see how all this works. Okay, so we got all our command blocks here, and it looks like quite a lot, but majority of them do the exact same thing. So it starts off with this fill clock here, this tiny little 3-block one. And what's it doing? So it starts off with an execute at a player with a scoreboard box of minimum 1, and you'll find out now why we get that box score. And we're going execute at an ender crystal. So at an ender crystal, we're setting a player within a radius of 0. They fixed the radius 0 in Minecraft. It actually works now that you have to be standing right on top of the entity for it to happen, and it sets its score to box 1. So now we have this box 1, and it's executing as the player with the box 1, and it's setting a block at some exact coordinates, a redstone block. And those exact coordinates are right here, in between these 6 or 5, whatever they are, in between there, in that little gap. And our last one here is killing the ender crystal in a radius of 0. So it's just deleting the crystal, basically. Now, what happens once a redstone block is placed in here? So it will quickly cycle down the line, and because I don't have a score of box 1, it didn't give me any of the title effect or commands. But these blocks on this side, all of these, and all of these are all title commands. They will just give me the title that is needed for the cycling of the things like this in Mario Kart. So what are these ones doing if they're not title commands? Well, this one is setting the box back to 0, and this is setting power-up score to 1. So the power-up score is important for these two command blocks over here. So these two dispensers are full. This one is getting cloned every time the block reaches this command block down here. So it moves slightly across, and then as soon as it moves across, there'll be a redstone block here and it'll fire. So the custom potion, it's giving anybody with a power-up score of 1 a potion and a custom potion effect. So if that was to be powered, which it would be if I let it cycle all the way down the line, it would give whoever has a power-up score of 1 a potion, or the closest person with a power-up score of 1 that potion that it's in. So we also have these command blocks down the other end. What are these ones doing? This one is setting block, redstone block. And basically this is just for this. So it will set a redstone block here. And then, or at the start, it will set a redstone block here. And then at the end, it will set one here. And this is just replacing this command block here with air. So it doesn't stay. And then this will clone over and the redstone block will still be here, causing this command block to be placed. So that's the only way to actually get a random output from command blocks, but there is a bug associated with those right now, and it stopped me from producing this a while ago. And that is if I set block here, and then update that with another set block for air, it won't update the blocks around it. So it was actually, this is why I need the clone, so you can clone it across, and then it's not been updated, so it needs the update to fire again. Which basically means that it is the only way to do it right now, where you clone it. And yeah, so it quickly cycles through all these and then just sets them back to air and redstone, and then sets the player's power-up score back to 0. So it is really effective and it works really well. As you saw, we just summoned another ender crystal. Boom. And it gives you a random buff, haste. Cool. So that's basically it for me for today. Hopefully I can hopefully I came up with a decent idea for this, and hopefully you guys like it. So we'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully, and I hope you liked it. So have a great day, and I'll see you again sometime. Bye bye.